Underground doghouse for small dogs to medium-large dogs, easy to use. It was tested and perfected to be effortless when used by both you and your dog. Created with 6 steps to assist your loved ones in and out of this sturdy man-made den. While the installation process is just as simple as digging a hole. Eco-friendly, designed to be placed underground, this doghouse naturally cools and heats itself with no electrical cords. Also BPA-free. Weatherproof, sitting 3-inch above the ground, it is dry as a bone even after heavy rainstorms. The DogEden's uni-body construction and well-thought-out design ensures complete watertight integrity, and we back that up with a 100% money-back guarantee. 60K series, recommended for kennels and fenced-in areas. 100% satisfaction guaranteed, included in every purchase is a lifetime warranty. At Miller Pet Products, we believe in our product and want you to trust us too.